Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So I have this text over here that so I wrote it with the strokes. So that's this one here. I wrote that. So I wrote this high over here. And then you're going to draw a shape pretty much. So the shape can be something like, okay, I'm just going to draw this. Um, 20 and 20. Alright, so now there's a circle. So now what you want to do with that circle is make it, so you can make it into a gradient, so whatever gradient you like, and make it no, so the fill is gradient and the, the stroke is nothing. Okay, you might want to make it, actually that size is pretty good. So then I'm just going to drag it, and then you're just going to hold Alt and then duplicate it, another one. Alt and then duplicate another one. Okay, and then you're just going to keep hitting Control D, and that makes more and more. So yeah, just make around 10 to 15. Okay, and then highlight all of them, and then go up into Object. Blend and then blend options. So blend options, you want to make it into specified steps, and about 5 would be good. So okay, and then you're going to go into Object, Blend, and then Make. Okay, so that does that, and it is going to get better quality, but actually, yeah. Actually, you know what? I'll just make it better quality now. So go back into blend options, make it like 200 something, or just make it a high number, and then that makes it like that. And then you can just, yeah, that's good. Now you're gonna, well, it depends on how many strokes you have. So I have that's one stroke, and then that dot is another stroke. So I have 2 strokes, so I need 2 of these lines here. Okay, so now with this line, I'm going to select that line and select this. Oh, and with this high, you have to so with the stroke, you have to right click it, and then make sure it's release compound path, like that. Okay, and then you're going to select that one and this line over here. And then you're going to go into Object, Blend, and then Replace Spine. So now you have that, and then you can just do the same for the other one. So that's already released. Wait, is it? Yeah, so it says Make Compound Path, which means it's already released. So I go into that and select that, and then Object and Blend, Replace Spine. And there you go. So it makes really cool fonts, and if I had drawn that better, it would look better. But yeah, and also, so let me just. Okay, so yeah, so there will be some things that go wrong in it. For example, I know there's like a bit of a bump there, so you can just delete them. So you can delete the circle that makes it. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, don't delete that. So there are a bit of a bump. That bump is just from because I started drawing. But yeah, so if you had drawn it better, and you could have had more text as well, and it would have done the same thing. So it looks really cool. You can experiment with the colors. For example, I could have, a color, I could have, I don't know. Okay, you have to select each specific circle. So let's do that. So you can pretty much change around the colors, and it looks really cool. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down below, right like down there, and as well as the subscribe. Wait, can I? Oh yeah, okay. These make sure to come on, it's not working. Okay, so Adobe Illustrator is lagging. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and bye. See you in the next video.